How to view Instagram DP in full screen. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually view Instagram DP in full screen mode. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe that there is a specific person you might be interested in, you want to view the profile picture in full screen, but because the Instagram profile picture is relatively very small, even if you go to the profile page, you're not being able to view it in full screen. There's recently an update that can help you do this. So first of all, just make sure you've updated the Instagram app only. Then once you've updated it, open it up. Now you just need to visit the profile page of the persons of whose you actually want to view the profile picture of. So you can see this person's profile picture or the logo, and if I want to view this person's story, I have to just tap on the profile picture, right? But if I want to view the profile picture, I have to press and hold, which means tap and hold on the profile picture for a while. So tap and hold, and then you'll see this little pop-up in the blurred background that is going to show their profile picture in full screen, just like this. So this is by far the best feature that Instagram has actually updated and implemented into their app. That is the ability to view profile pictures. Now you can repeat the process for any of the other people that you might be interested in. So just visit the profile page like this, long press on this profile, and then here you'll be able to see the profile picture pop up in full screen mode. The only thing you cannot do with this is that you cannot do it with your own profile picture, because if we try to do it with our own profile picture, you'll see this type of profile pop up. But for other profile pictures, it works definitely just fine. So hope this video helps you as to how you can view Instagram DPs in full screen mode. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.